Good morning, my name is Colin Muir. I'm the General Manager for Kobelco New Zealand, and welcome to our branch here in Takanini. Kobelco New Zealand has been decades long. The brand is very, very popular with the New Zealand contractors in many different industries here in New Zealand. The history of Kobelco is a lot longer, around about 130 years old since the group was formed in Japan. And the construction side of the business, where they make the machinery, is over 95 years old. So I joined Kobelco, just under a year ago in July 2025. I have a long history with machinery, all the way back to 1999 when I started in the UK as an equipment rep. And I've been working in both the equipment and the truck side of the industries here in New Zealand for about 25 years now. Kobelco New Zealand has gone through a real genesis in the last couple of years. In July 2023, it was decided that Kobelco themselves would take over the New Zealand market to control the brand experience from go to woe. And that's been a really good thing for our customers and the Kobelco brand. It's allowed us as a brand to take total control of this market in New Zealand. Previously we worked with a distributor, which was a great relationship, but it was decided that we could get closer to our customers and really command the customer experience if Kobelco itself managed the New Zealand market. So the branch that you can see here today is our Takanini branch, but is also the headquarters for Kobelco New Zealand. So we have everything from finance, administration, HR, marketing, as well as sales. We have parts department here in Auckland and a rather large workshop, which hopefully you'll get to see today. We'd love to welcome you here to our branch in Takanini. We feel like we have a very unique space, as you can see around me. We have a vast array of our machines on show, all undercover. So whether it's rain or shine, we feel like we can give you a good experience, and you can have as much time as you need to have a look at the machines and look around and meet some of the team. So you can come and meet some of the principals for Kobelco New Zealand.
Hi, I'm Anthony Ireland, National Sales Manager here at Kobelco New Zealand. Been in the role about 7 months now, 7 to 8 months. Vast experience in this role and actually this industry, to be fair. I've been in the industry about 10 years now. So, since coming to the role, we've been reasonably focused on spending a lot of time on putting a few processes in place to make sure that we emulate what the Australian dealers are doing over in Australia. They've been number one for, I think it's 2 years in a row, but they've been competing for number one position for about, for as long as they've been over there. So you can start seeing the results. We ended up finishing second in the heavies, which is a 7.5 tonne and upwards. We finished up, January last year through to December, finished joint second. So it's something to be really proud of. It's the first time we've ever done that. So the reason we're in these sort of roles is relationship stuff and dealing with customers. I really enjoy the relationship side of this role. So the Kobelco brand is starting to make its way onto a lot of tier 1 sites around New Zealand. Just south of the branch here, there's 3 or 4 new Kobelcos that have gone in there. And the feedback so far is that the fuel burn is phenomenal compared to what they've been using previously. And and Kobelco really pride themselves on a saying that's been going for 30 or 40 years now. It says, we save you fuel, least amount of fuel you burn, least amount of carbon you emit into the air. And so that's something Kobelco really pride themselves on.